Hi guys, welcome to Smart Hack. So today we'll be talking about how you can extract link or text from an image. Let's say a friend of yours send you a job application, then the link to apply for the job is in an image, or you are just trying to apply for something, or you just want to access a link, you want to see the content of the link, then the link is embedded in an image. So what people do in this scenario is to, like, some people try to write down the link with a pen or something, then they input the link into their browser. Then some other people make use of two devices, like they have the image on one device, then they use the other device to input the link. So there is a simpler way of doing that, and that's what we'll be talking about today. So we'll be making use of this Google Keep Note application. For those that don't have it installed on their mobile, you just go to your mobile app store, then type Keep. So this Keep Notes, then I have it installed already. I will just go straight to the application. So that's the application I'm using right now for this particular note. So this is the landing page. Like once you install the app and open it, you see something like this. Then you see this plus icon by the lower right of the screen. So click on the icon. It means you are trying to create a new note. So on this lower left, you see something like another plus. Click on it. Then if you have the image, like if something you want to snap, you can click on take photo. But what happens most of the time is the photo is on the person's phone, like is saved on our device. Just click add image, then you scroll to where you have the picture. Let's start with this. Yeah. Then you click on the image, then you click on these three dots by the top right corner, then you click grab image text. So sometimes you see this can't recognize text, like a kind of warning, but don't panic, just click on it again, then click on the dot, then grab text. So we can see that we have the text here. So clicking on this link will take you directly to the registration page. So let's try that with another image. So you can add another image by clicking on this plus icon by the lower left. Nope. So this is a job posting from Data Melon, but the application link is on the image. So as usual, click on the image, click on this three dot by the top right, then grab image text. So if you don't get it working the first time, don't panic, just click on it and try again. Grab image text, then the text has been grabbed. Just click on the application link, and that will take you directly to the application portal. So that's that about extracting link and text from images. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye.